Hi folks, Don here with Engine Joe, my 1959 Ford F100, and today we're going to work on the wiper motor. Old wiper motor's dead. We're going to go ahead and replace it with a new old one and service it. I went ahead and got some new, well, used OEM stock, guaranteed in working condition, so I'm going to switch them out. Let's see how it goes. Well, we can go ahead and check the old motor here, make sure that it's working okay. Go ahead and ground it out from the battery. Red to red. And, ooh, yeah, it's got plenty of power. Works great. Yay, it works good. Okay, we'll go ahead and take out the old one. Okay, and now 3 small bolts come out. 1, 2, and 3. I'll be using a 7/16 inch socket. Now I've got the wiring removed. It was easy to pull out, but looks like the previous owner used silicone instead of that black rubber gasket material that's usually used, so looks like I'm gonna have to pry it loose. Now, underneath the dash, right in the center of the underneath part of the dash, if I can get it to focus, there we go, is the bolt. You can see it there. And nut that attaches the wiper linkage to the motor. I'll be removing that, and then the motor should come out. And it's out. Yay. Servicing your old wiper motor is real easy. And it needs to be done simply to keep the motor from burning up. The more friction you have inside the motor, the more chance there is of electrical components getting burnt up. So really, remove these screws holding in the cover, the back of the cover. The older units have a worm drive here, and a very similar setup as this. You pack the grease in as tight as you can where the worm drive is at the bottom of the opening, and then remove this wheel, and behind that is another area where you can add grease to the shaft, and this one looks like it would have been in need of it. Maybe that's why this old one died. But real easy service, everything gets replaced, and then you can reinstall. Okay, now it's all installed. Got the new old stock, well, not really new, but old stock in there. Gasket material on. Linkage is put on. And now I just got to clean up this wiring. Okay, I got to put some new wiper blades on. Mine are shot. There's the old one. I'm going to put on some Trico 33122 12-inch classic blade sets, and we'll see how that new wiper motor works. Okay, a moment of truth. We'll go ahead and put it in start, and wiper. Yeah, they work. That's great. Okay, let's see how they park. Oh, that's a little high. Well, that can be adjusted. There's an adjustment on the motor where they can be put in park at a lower or higher position. I'll do that. Back underneath the hood, there is this little shaft right here. It's a 1/4 inch hex, and a small adjustment to the left, and it adjusts them lower. A small adjustment to the right, and it adjusts them higher. We're going to adjust them a little bit lower.